The pass box is a kind of auxiliary equipment in the clean room, mainly used for the transfer of small items between the clean area and the clean area, and between the unclean area and the clean area. 1. Working principle. Mechanical interlocking, through the mechanical structure to achieve interlocking. When a door is opened, another door cannot be opened. Must close this door, in order to open another door. Electronic interlock. The use of integrated circuits, electromagnetic locks, control panels, indicators, and other electronic components, to achieve interlocking. When one door is opened, the door opening indicator of the other door is not lit, and the electromagnetic lock action realizes the interlock. When the door is closed, the electromagnetic lock of the other door begins to work, and the indicator light flashes, indicating that it can be opened. 2. According to the working principle. Air shower pass box. In the process of transferring items, the items will be treated with air shower, and the dust and impurities on the surface of the items will be blown by high-speed air flow, which is suitable for clean rooms with high requirements for the cleanliness of the surface of the items. Ordinary pass box. Mainly used for simple goods transfer, no air shower function, suitable for clean places with low cleanliness requirements.